You've heard stories, seen headlines, maybe even formed an opinion. But what if I told you almost everything you think you know about Tehran is just the tip of a much deeper, more vibrant iceberg? This isn't just about a capital city. It's about a beating heart nestled between ancient mountains and a future rushing towards it. We're about to dive headfirst into Tehran, Iran, a place where history whispers from every alley and modern life bursts with an energy you can almost taste. Get ready to peel back the layers of misconception and discover the real soul of this incredible metropolis, a city full of surprises that will challenge your perceptions and leave you craving more. Imagine a city cradled by giants. That's Tehran, lying at the foot of the magnificent Alborz Mountains. Look up, and jagged peaks pierce the sky, often snow-capped even when the city below swelters. Look down, and you see an endless urban ocean, a sprawling landscape of concrete and green that stretches as far as the eye can see. This dramatic backdrop isn't just scenery, it's part of the city's identity, offering stunning panoramic views that remind you of nature's grandeur amidst the constant buzz of human activity. It's this unique geography that sets the stage for everything else. Tehran's story isn't short. For centuries, it was a relatively small town, often overshadowed by ancient Persian capitals. But in the late 18th century, the Qajar Dynasty made it their seat of power, and that's when things really began to change. And nowhere is that grandeur more evident than at the Golestan Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's a dazzling jewel box of Iranian artistry. Walking through its mirrored halls and opulent chambers feels like stepping directly into a fairy tale. Every tile, every painting, every piece of stained glass tells a story of kings and queens, of lavish ceremonies and political intrigue. It's a testament to a time when Persian art and architecture were at their zenith, a place where European influences began to subtly blend with traditional Iranian designs. You can almost hear the rustle of silk gowns and the echo of royal pronouncements. But Tehran's history goes far deeper than the Qajars. To truly grasp Iran's past, you must visit the National Museum of Iran. This isn't just a building with old stuff, it's a portal. Inside, you'll find relics stretching back thousands of years. From the Achaemenid Empire, when Persia ruled an empire larger than any the world had seen before, to the Sasanian era. We're talking about pottery older than written language, intricate gold artifacts, and colossal stone figures that seem to stare at you with the wisdom of millennia. Each exhibit provides a crucial piece of the puzzle, helping you understand the complex layers that have shaped this nation and its people. It reminds you that this isn't a new land, but one with roots so deep they intertwine with the very dawn of civilization. Yet Tehran isn't stuck in the past. Far from it. Step out of the museums and palaces, and you're plunged into the exhilarating chaos of modern Tehran. The streets are a pulsating network, overflowing with cars, motorbikes, and a constant river of people. It's a city that breathes, expands, and moves with an unstoppable rhythm. What really strikes you is the youthful vibrancy. Over 60% of Iran's population is under 30, and you see that energy everywhere. In the trendy cafes, the bustling university districts, and the fashion that quietly challenges norms. Modern architecture, sleek and ambitious, stands shoulder to shoulder with older buildings, showcasing the city's relentless development. This isn't a city slowing down, it's a city evolving, constantly reaching for what's next. And what about the heart of daily life? That's where culture truly shines. The Grand Bazaar is an assault on the senses in the best possible way. Imagine acres of covered labyrinthine passages, each section dedicated to something different. Glittering gold, hand-knotted carpets in every conceivable pattern, pyramids of spices that fill the air with exotic aromas, and bustling stalls selling everything from electronics to traditional crafts. It's not just a shopping destination, it's a living, breathing piece of history. A place where business has been conducted for centuries and where you can still feel the pulse of trade and community. Then there's the food. Oh, the food! Iranian cuisine is a delicious journey of flavors. Forget what you think you know about Middle Eastern food. This is different. You'll find succulent kebabs, not just lamb and chicken, but minced meat kebabs, marinated to perfection and grilled over open flames. Stews, or koresh, are slow-cooked masterpieces, often made with herbs, pulses, and rich meats, served with fragrant basmati rice. And the sweets. From flaky pastries soaked in rosewater syrup to delicate saffron ice cream, every bite is a celebration. Eating in Tehran isn't just about feeding yourself. It's a social event, a moment of warmth and hospitality shared with family and friends in vibrant restaurants and humble street food stalls. Beyond the food and markets, Tehran is a city of surprising artistic depth. There's a thriving contemporary art scene, with galleries showcasing innovative Iranian artists whose work often blends traditional motifs with modern commentary. The city's museums aren't just for history. They also host impressive collections of modern art, reflecting the creative spirit and resilience of the Iranian people. Whether it's intricate miniature painting or bold abstract sculpture, art here isn't just decoration. It's a vital form of expression. Now, it would be disingenuous to paint a picture of Tehran without acknowledging its complexities. Life here isn't always simple. The city and the country faces unique social and political realities. There are restrictions, rules that shape daily life and public expression, and these can be challenging for both residents and visitors to navigate. But what's truly remarkable isn't the restrictions themselves, but the extraordinary resilience and optimism you witness every single day. People find ways to thrive, to express themselves, to find joy, and to connect deeply with one another despite the obstacles. You see it in the defiant smiles, the vibrant conversations in cafes, the quiet acts of kindness, and the unwavering hospitality extended to strangers. It's a testament to the human spirit, a powerful reminder that even in challenging environments, life finds a way to flourish. This isn't a city that fits neatly into a headline or a simple narrative. Tehran is a place of profound contradictions. Ancient traditions rubbing shoulders with cutting-edge modernity, bustling energy tempered by quiet moments of reflection, and a deeply warm, welcoming people living within a complex political landscape. It demands to be understood on its own terms, to be experienced beyond the stereotypes. It asks you to open your mind, engage your senses, and truly see the vibrant, multifaceted portrait that it is. So, if this glimpse into Tehran has sparked your curiosity and left you wanting to explore more of its fascinating world, you won't want to miss our next video, where we dive even deeper into the secret gardens and hidden gems of this incredible city.